Alright, it's night one. Thursday night around midnight. August 17th, 18th, something like that. Just got here. Drizzled for a little bit. There was a hell of a lightning show on the drive through the mountains. It's kind of neat. It's a little buggy here. They're not mosquitoes. They're just kind of big flying things. That's the hood. It's chilly enough for a long sleeve shirt, but I probably wouldn't have the hood up if it wasn't for the bugs. They're not bad, but occasionally they fly in your ear. But we got a campsite. We're going to be pretty close to ready to go in the morning. We go to the Red Lodge, get our fishing licenses, and try and catch some trout. It'll be a chilly night tonight, but it's going to be relaxing. The sound of the stream should make it sleep quite nice. See you tomorrow. It's day 2. It rained all night last night, but it's clearing out today. We are currently on the trail hiking up to Glacier Lake. The trail starts off about 8,700 feet. It's been straight uphill. It's hard to keep your breath up here, but that's where we're going. Right up there. That's where the lake is, and so we're going to try and catch some fish. If not, this will be worthwhile. It's pretty nice scenery, just really hard hike. See you there. Okay, we're at Glacier Lake, except it's over there. It's really, really windy up here. We're about 10,000 feet. So fly fishing wasn't going to work because it's cold and windy and those white caps. So I heard there's a spillway lake that's really good fishing. That's down there. Some people got down there, we don't know how. We're going to try and get down this way. Try and show the trail.
Yep, I am.
What wasn't mentioned is that I also twisted my ankle getting here, so I'm kind of hobbly. It's starting to turn black and blue. So getting down might not be an issue, but I'm still apprehensive about getting out. But we'll try it. If not, it'll make a great movie. Recording? That's actually wasn't so bad. Woohoo! What?
And we have a heck of an ascent.
Yeah, that's where we have to go. Get down. We're good. See you next time. This, we made it out of the valley. It's a glacial lake proper. This is a glacial lake. You can see. So, we're getting out of here as quick as we can. It's getting really nasty. It's about 50 degrees, like 40 mile-an-hour winds. Really crappy out. Alright, we are back at camp now. We made a new camp. With the Jeep, we didn't want to hike anymore because we're pretty beat. The weather's a lot nicer down here. I don't know if you can see or not, but it's sunny out. There's no wind. It's pretty nice out right now. We're sitting here. We are cooking up the trout that I caught, I should say. Put a little Cajun spice on it. Stand up and get a top profile here. Look at that. That's some good stuff. Now let's just hope that the bears don't find the fish carcasses we left about 200 yards away. Well, we're gonna eat dinner here. Well, bye. Alright, it's day 3 now. The weather's a lot nicer today. It's a little warm. We're deciding to hike up the Lost Lake again. where we were at last time. Then from there we're gonna hike up to Black Canyon Lake, which is about another 3/4 of a mile. We've maybe traveled a half a mile so far and we're already kind of beat. This time we got heavy packs, probably about 40 to 50 pounds a piece. It's making it a lot more difficult, especially we're still kind of hurting after yesterday's hike up to Glacier Lake. But we'll live through it. If we need to take some extra breaks, so be it. We're walking along this nice creek, so we'll probably stop and throw a line in once or twice on the way up too and see if we can catch lunch. See you at the lake. So we made it to Lost Lake. It poured for quite a while, the rest of the hike actually. Everything's really wet, it's cold, it's really cold. Thus the fire. There's no fish in this lake, I don't think. I already melted my shoes trying to dry them out because they were drenched. I'm still wet and cold, but we got a nice fire going, so hopefully we will be able to stay a little warm till we go to bed, and tomorrow will be a better day. I did catch quite a bit of trout in the stream though on the hike up here, so that wasn't so bad until the rain came and the thunder and the wind. Well, alright. See you tomorrow. Day 4, shortly after sunrise, we're hiking up to Black Canyon Lake. The sun's out finally, it's clear. It's not too far of a hike, so hopefully we'll make it there and do some nice fishing. Could be hiking in the worse area. Pretty nice up here. See you at the lake. Alright, so we're still on our hike to Black Canyon Lake. Apparently we have to cross that boulder field. Notice lack thereof trail to get to the lake up there. This after the bog we just walked through. Trying to get a picture of the bog we just went through for a mile. Again, notice lack of trail thereof. Yeah. But we'll cross the boulder field and we'll hopefully get to the gorgeous lake. Everyone here kept telling us that this lake is horrible to get to, but the fishing's great. So we figured we'd try it. Now we're starting to see why they said it's horrible to get to. But they all said it'll be worth our while once we get there, so let's hope so. I don't know if you can see this or not, but it's hailing really bad. Like,
Close up.
these are small ones.
Let me see your hand.
Ow, it hurts. And there's no hiding from, ow! Son of, this is what we've been walking in for a while. See, this is the weekend we've had. Ow! See you in town. This sucks. I'm covering my